Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this travel pouch. This thing is absolutely awesome and it has so many different features. I'm going to answer all your questions about it. This is perfect for traveling. So you get passports, cards. It is RFID blocking on the front. One thing to note about this, the back part is not. So whatever you put in the back is not the RFID blocking, but anything in the front, you are good to go. It does have a neck thing. I'll kind of show you exactly how it looks in my neck, but in a second, I want to show you how much cash you can get in here, cards, can you get a phone, all that stuff. So this is what it looks like right over here. This is a passport. So the nice part about the back part about here, the Velcro portion, is you could put this back in here. It fits very nicely in here. And the reason why you might want to put it in the Velcro pack right back here is because you have to constantly take it out and in. You don't want it in a zippered pouch. I mean, you could put it in a zippered pouch, but I found it's just much easier to have in the back over here. So I can just take it out, show it, put it back in. So I do really like that option. You could do a lot of other different things in the back right over here. So that's going to be kind of like your first pocket, and that is Velcro. Again, no RFID back over here. Over here, we got one, two, three, four. This is going to be four zippered pockets. This is a stack right here of about, yeah, this is 20 $20 bills. So the nice part about this is it could fit a lot of stuff. So if you want to put some cash in here, you'll see here, still plenty of room for a lot more cash. If you want to do cash for cards, you could put these in here if you had like IDs and stuff like that, or even credit cards. You don't have to worry because it has the RFID blocking. You can get a phone in here, right over here. This is the iPhone 14 Max. So the iPhone 14 Max does fit in here. It will depend on your case, the size of your phone, but my iPhone easily fits in there, no problems whatsoever, and still plenty of space in this thing, which is kind of crazy. So that's kind of how I would use this. And then we have another pocket right over here, lots of space in here. So this could really take everything you could possibly need. And then the nice part about this too is now we could put this on our neck. So this is kind of how it'd be on my neck right over here. If I wanted more space, it has an adjustable, so it could go right down here. If you this would be good for ladies as well. You kind of go across your body if you wanted to do that. And all that is done with this piece right over here that kind of brings you back and forth. This is a really nice option because it's super slim right over here. And that's like one thing I do like about it as well. I feel like for something like this, you could almost get this in a back jean pocket as well. So if I put this in the back of my jean pocket, you'll see it sticks out just a little bit. So if you didn't really want to use the lanyard, you could definitely put it in a jean pocket, a jacket pocket, even a backpack. It goes really in. It's super slim. It's really lightweight, which I appreciate about it. And for me, I'm usually not wearing it up here. Typically, I'm either have it kind of like down here a little bit this way because I don't want, I want to be where I could see it. And if someone tried to, go after it, I could see that. But there's just so much stuff you could put in here. I typically don't put my phone in here, but it could be a good thing if you're going on a hike or something. Maybe you don't have pockets or you don't want to have pockets, but you still want to have a phone and something lightweight. That's going to be a great fit right over here. And again, this Velcro pocket was such a great idea on this because this is going to give you easy access to stuff. I could see putting my phone, even sometimes putting my phone back here. Because if this is something like a great example for this use case right here, it's like if you're going for a hike or something and like you might want to take pictures, you don't want to have to pull it out of the zipper every time. So again, I would say you could fit a good bit of cash in here. Obviously, $20 bills, no problem fitting in here or anywhere else. You could get a good bit of phone. So $20 bills would probably fill up the front pouch. You could probably get 25 bills in there. I would probably put your cards in here or up here just because there's a little less space. But these pockets are deep. Like my hand literally almost fits in the entire pocket right here to get some idea. So you could definitely fit a bunch of devices in here, cash, cards, anything you want. So if you are looking for a great travel wallet for passports, cards, cash, smartphones, devices, headphones, all that kind of stuff. This is a great fit. Definitely better than a wallet. So if you're going to travel a bunch, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.